Pakistani authentic kitchen. How's everyone doing? Hope everyone is doing great. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious crepe at home in easy way. You make them of your choice of sweet, filling and topping. So let's see what ingredients we are going to use to make ultra thin and delicate homemade crepes. So let's start preparing the batter. So I took a big bowl. I'm gonna add milk, salt, sugar, and I'm going to add eggs now. You can use electric blender to mix them. I'm going to use a hand blender. Mix it very well. Now gradually add flour into batter and mix it very well. Batter is ready for crepes now. I have my pan here. I already turned on the stove. Take a little bit oil and brush it. And make sure the heat has to be medium to low. Now I'm going to pour this mixture, this batter, into pan. Move all the batter to side by side. As you can see, it's almost done from one side. We need to leave each side for 30 to 40 seconds. When you see the color has completely changed, now you can change the side. Cook it 40 seconds again. Now I'm gonna change the side again, and it's perfectly cooked from both sides. I'm gonna take it out from the pan and put in a plate, and again pour some batter into pan. Cook for 30 seconds. Make a few more. So I will make two more these crepes, and then I will show you how to assemble. Our crepes are ready. Now I have some toppings here. You can see some peanut butter, nutella, strawberry jam, blueberries, banana, and some strawberries. I have some peanut butter. You can just spread evenly. You can use any fruit that you like. Put some blueberries. Turn over. Next one, I'm going to make the strawberry one. I'm using strawberry jam. Last one, I'm going to use Nutella. You can use as much you like. No, mostly kids love chocolate. And some banana slices. Flip it over again. And now I have some chocolate here. I'm gonna drizzle. If you like sugar powder, you can use that. Very delicious and easy to make. Now I'm gonna show you final look. In this video I made 3 different types of crepes. I hope you will love these crepes. Try at home and let me know in the comment section. If you are visiting my channel for first time, please leave a comment, like and share my channel with friends and family. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to get the notification for my new upcoming cooking videos. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. And I will see you until next video. Bye.